How to fix external hard drive not showing up in Windows. 1. Check the cable and USB connection. 2. Use another USB port. 3. Run devices and hardware troubleshooter. Command, msdt.exe ID device diagnostic. 4. Enable online option in disk management tool. 5. Run chkdsk/f your driver letter your command as admin. 6. Enable device from device manager. 7. Uninstall and reinstall drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Enable auto mounting via mountball/e command. 9. Update firmware.